Aislyn from Pretty Hair is Fun, and this week we're going to show you how to do 2 updos, great for homecoming or prom. Let's get started.
For this cute little updo, you can see she's just kind of got an angled side part. And I'm just going to turn her to the back, and I'm just going to gather her hair into a low ponytail. And we're just going to leave some hair out to kind of frame her face. Okay, I'm going to put in my elastic. And before I make it tight, I'm just going to loosen this up a little bit. On my last pull through, I'm just going to create a loop. I'm not going to make it very big because I need a long tail. And the thicker your hair, like Aislyn's, you're going to need more length as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this in half. I'm going to wrap it around. And then I'm going to pick up this end when I come around. I'm going to put my fingers through this first loop. Like this. And I'm going to grab the rest of that tail and I'll pull it through. Okay, and then I'm going to wrap it around again with the rest of this tail. And pin it in place. A couple bobby pins. And that is our twisted chignon. Okay, for this updo, this is great for short hair. So I'm doing on Tara's short hair, so I'm just going to start with sectioning off a little section right here in the front. This is kind of a reverse pull-through braid. So I'm just going to take an elastic. And this is great too if you've got bangs like Tara does. You can just pull them up out of the way. And I'm just going to come and kind of pull this out so it matches the rest. Okay, and I'm just going to part off a section, gathering in that top ponytail. Okay, whichever your second ponytail. Stick another elastic. I'm just going to create an opening right down there in the middle. And instead of flipping the hair over, I'm going to flip it under. And I'm just going to pull this little loop through, spread it out nice and wide. And I'm going to take some bobby pins. I'm just using little shorty ones. Pin this down in place. Okay, now we're just going to make the next section. And I'm just going to keep doing this all the way down her head. Unless her hair is really thick, you want to make these closer together rather than farther apart. I'm just anchoring the edge of the loop to the edge of the sectioned off hair. Just like that. I'm down to the last one. You might have to alter this depending on how much hair you have at this point. When you do these, you want to try and make that hole as clean as possible so you're not pulling on too many hairs. And she's going to have some stragglers, and that's okay. We just are going to pin them in place. Okay, and then you just come up and kind of adjust. You need to kind of tease some of these, make them a little bit fuller, you can. And then if you're going to dance, I've just got these little cute twist pins, and these are great for hiding bobby pins if you need them to. Just to give it a little bit of bling. Okay, that is our updo for short hair.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to follow us on Instagram to see new posts every day, and subscribe and check out these other hairstyles. See ya!